In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make your beer super cold fast. Because sometimes it's just not ice cold enough. Not cold enough. First, take it somewhere where there's water, like a sink. Then give it a nice shower, get it all wet. The one other thing you're going to need is a paper towel. Paper towel or napkins or Kleenex, something like that. Then, once you wet your beer, just start wrapping it. And because it's already wet, it'll stick on like this. But go ahead and rinse it some more. Make sure it's extra wet. Next, all you have to do is put it in your freezer. Make sure your freezer's set on the lowest temperature. Wait at least 5 or 10 minutes. Nice and frozen now. You can't really tell, but it's still, some parts are wet and some parts are frozen. But the beer, oh, nice and cold. It's very freaking cold. Super dry, nice and cold. Try this at home and let us know what you think. All right, cheers.